This affiliate program just paid me $230,000. I'm going to show you which one it is right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today, we are going to break down the affiliate program that has just paid me over $230,000. If you're a beginner and you're looking for a way to build a business online and you want to learn the strategies that work, the real strategies, not trendy things and things that might work or things that are regurgitated from people that have never done them or anything like that. If you want to learn what really works online, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and do not miss any of my videos. Listen, I've done over $100 million online, and there's a lot of different ways that you can make money, a lot of different income streams. You hear people talk about multiple streams of income. There's no easier place to do that than the internet, right? You're a point and a click away from many different income streams, right? So which one should you focus on as a beginner? If you are just starting out, what should you do? That's the reason why I built this channel. It was to give back and to teach people, build a community of people that truly want to learn the strategies and techniques that you should be implementing today that actually work today. Not the things that worked 5, 10, 15 years ago that people just regurgitate on YouTube. So if you don't want to deal with the trendy stuff and you want the real things that actually work to be taught to you, then you are in the right place. Like I said, I've done over $100 million online, and this has been a staple of my success for many, many years, right? And it continues to be a staple for my success, and I'm about to show you how to make it be one for you. So let's talk about the affiliate programs. First of all, an affiliate program in general just means that you get to promote somebody else's products, okay? Now, if you stay around until the end, I'm going to show you how you can do this, and I'm going to give you this book completely free. This is my book that basically breaks down affiliate marketing for beginners, people who've never done it before, step by step. So I'm going to give you this. I'll tell you how to get it completely free, no shipping, none of that stuff, all right? It's just free. So affiliate marketing is where you get to promote somebody else's product. When I first started as an affiliate back when I was 22, 23, I was an affiliate for banks, right? So all these major banks, they wanted to get more customers. And how did they go about doing that? Well, they needed to reach more people online. So they came to affiliates, people like me, and they said, Anthony, if you help us get more customers to American Express, we'll pay you to do it. And I'm like, well, this is great, right? Because as an affiliate, you get to leverage big household brand names, right? And all the people that are looking for those names, all the people that trust those brands, but you get to earn a commission when you send them customers. So instead of competing with, say, eBay, right? Like nobody's successfully done that in decades. So instead of competing with them, you can now work with them. You can utilize and leverage their brand and their likeness and all of the attention that they get. But as an affiliate, you get paid commissions, right? So that's basically what affiliate marketing is. It's referral marketing. Now, there's one that I'm using right now that's paid me over $230,000. Let's go to my computer. I'll show you right now. Check this out. $234,135.89. Now, you can see that my last payout was $9,690.56. So earning about $9,000 to $10,000 a month with this one specific affiliate program. So the question is how, why, what, and how do you get started? So how do we make $230,000 from one single affiliate program? Well, the first thing is, okay, we have to find the right program. Okay, now this is important. You can completely fail the minute you get started if you start the wrong way, right? This is the most important part of the puzzle, and that is finding the right affiliate program. There's a couple of things you want to look for. One, you want to look for recurring commissions. Okay, so we want to look for recurring commissions. Do they have recurring commissions? That's a terrible looking star there. So do they have recurring commissions, right? If they do, this is a positive. If they have recurring commissions, is it a software, right? And let me tell you why. Because software is sticky. What that means is it means that just like your cable subscription, just like your, telephone bill, you're going to pay it, right? There are things in life that we subscribe to that we never, ever, ever pay for, right? We might subscribe to the gym. We pay for it for 3 or 4 months and then we cancel because we didn't go, right? But that's not what we do with our cell phone. We get a cell phone, we pay for our cell phone, and almost it doesn't matter what happens in life, we make sure we pay our cell phone bill because we want to keep it. With the internet, there's the same type of stuff. You can have subscriptions to education, right? So subscriptions to, just different newsletters, for instance. That's one of the things that's really big and popular is subscriptions to newsletters. So you can have those, right? Or you can have subscriptions to software that you use, the software that you are using every single day to run your business. Which one do you think you're going to keep the longest, right? Stickiness matters. Because if it's a software, it's probably going to be what we call sticky. And sticky matters because sticky means that somebody will stay on the billing program longer, okay, than anything else, right, than most other places. So stickiness, it's how long will they stick, right? And then the second thing is you want to make sure you know how do we sell it. Right? So you've got this program, but the question is, how do you sell it? Right? How do you sell it? So in our example here, if you look at the example on the screen, it's GetResponse. GetResponse is a list building email marketing platform, right? So basically what they do is they allow you to store your email list and then send emails to that email list, right? Well, once we build an email list and we store it in GetResponse, we can't very well just take it and put it anywhere else. It's there. So once somebody has an email list in GetResponse, they're not likely to change because they don't want to lose the email list that they've built. And this is what makes it sticky. So how do we sell it then? It's real simple. We use education. We educate people on how to use the platform or how to use the thing that you're trying to sell as an affiliate. Because if you educate somebody, okay, look, think about it. Education leads to somebody buying, okay? And then when somebody buys, they now use because they're educated. And if they use it, guess what? They stick. And if they stick, well, essentially, you're making money. And that's the whole game, right? So if we just sell people something they don't know how to use, then we never make any real money because they quit using it, right? And we don't want that. We want people to continue to use. So if we sell through education, okay, that's the way to really win. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, okay, great, I got to find a bunch of these right programs. How in the world do I know what the right program is if I'm a beginner? And then I got to learn how to educate. I've never used GetResponse. How in the world could I educate anybody? You don't have to. Here's the deal. There's a link right under this video. If you look underneath the video, there's a button that says show more or see more or something like that. If you're on mobile, it might be in the top right-hand corner or something like that. To see the description, there's a link right below, okay? When you click that link, you can partner with me. When you partner with me, I let you have access to my ecosystem. It's my training and educational ecosystem. It trains people and educates people on how to use GetResponse and 12 or 13 other programs. All you have to do is send people to the ecosystem. It teaches them how to use these things. They buy them through your affiliate link. So you get the commissions, not me. I want this to be very clear. You win, I don't. You make money with your affiliate link, not me. They come into my ecosystem. I teach and educate them, okay? Now they know how to use GetResponse. So they go buy it. They buy it through your affiliate link. Now here's the cool part. Since I taught them how to use it, what's going to happen? They're going to stick. They're going to stay. They're going to be somebody that uses this program maybe for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. I've used it for a decade. And every month, you're getting paid a commission that they use it. All because my ecosystem educated them and taught them how to do this. Being an affiliate is more than just sending traffic to an affiliate link. It's educating that traffic on what they're going to buy so that you can ensure that they actually purchase it, use it, and you get paid more from it. There's a link right below to check out the Partner with Anthony program. If you click show more, see more, you'll see it. Click that link so that you can partner with me. Also, when you click that link, I'm going to give you this book completely free. This literally just outlines the steps that beginners need to take in order to crush it using this ecosystem model, okay? It's completely free. So when you click the link, you'll get this for free and you can partner with me. Now listen, if you learn something in this video, there's 3 things I need you to do for me right now. I've taught you the model for how this works, right? I just need you to do 3 things for me. Number 1, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This helps me help you, right? Each time I put out a new video, obviously YouTube will let you know that the video is there for you to watch. The second thing, I need you to like the video. So just click the little like button and like this video. That lets YouTube know that, hey, they should share this with other people. And the third thing is leave me a comment and let me know if you have any questions about this model, how you as a beginner can use ecosystem and education to be able to build a recurring income through affiliate marketing online. If you have any questions, let me know. When you do those 3 things, subscribe, like, and comment, you'll be qualified to win any of the number of prizes that we give away here on our channel. So do it now because it doesn't hurt you and you could win some really cool prizes. Plus, you click the link below, get that Partner with Anthony program, and then of course, you'll get access to this book completely free instantly. That way I can help you, I can partner with you, and we can get you started on your journey and your path to success online. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you'll join me on my next one.